So guys, I'm going to be unboxing my Nintendo Switch controllers. So these are my old colours on my Switch, and now I'm going to be unboxing it. So yeah. First colour, it looks good, really good. This is the second colour. Now I'm going to be putting them on my Switch. And that's what it looks like now. So type in the comments below if you like the new colours, yellow and dark blue, or these red and blue controllers. I had so much problems with these controllers, so I had to go get new ones yesterday. And yeah, that's what it looks like. These always come with it. If you want to get new Switch controllers, they're £60. It's so much money, but it's good. At least you can play with them. So that's me unboxed. This is my unboxed video where I unboxed my Switch controllers, and yeah, like and subscribe if you want to see more videos, and turn on the notifications if you when we post videos, and it will tell you when we post videos or not. So basically, yeah, that's me unboxed my Switch controllers. Okay, bye.
These are the Rainbow High dolls, and yesterday I got them, and this is Ruby and this is Amaya, and Ruby has red hair and Amaya has rainbow hair, and they are in cheerleading costumes, and they're wearing these cool shoes, and they don't really have any accessories, but I can't put them on because it's too hard. And make sure you like and subscribe and watch for more. Bye.
So guys, I hope you like my unboxing video with my Switch controllers. I hope you like them. They look sick, fire. So type in the comments below what you like. So I hope you liked my unboxing video, and I hope you like Renee's video. What's your video called again?
Rainbow high dolls. And I have them right here. And I also have these cool accessories, which are 2 pom-poms.
Oh yeah, what I didn't show you guys is that every time you buy controllers, they come with this thing. So these you can slide them on your controller, easy peasy, like this, easy so, just like this. Easy so.
And these rainbow high dolls, they have cool shoes. See? Rainbow,
Easy.
red, rainbow, red, rainbow, red. Green. And also, Ruby has no socks right now, and
She has
Maya
shoes.
has socks. So right here, it has rainbow, rain. Then over here, it has bow.
Okay.
So you maybe can't see that, but it's okay.
So, just saying guys, I hope you like our videos, but yeah, that's my unboxing video done for now, and that's Renee's unboxing video. So, yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell and comment.